Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. One word for this home is tranquility. 3 acres of expansive gardens. There are two covered patios giving amazing views of the surrounding mountains while drawing in the cool breeze rolling by. This beautifully architectured home gives its occupants a warm, cozy feeling from the great outdoors to the open concept living and dining. And finally, finishing off with the bedrooms on the upper floor. Only 5 minutes from the Bagwalk town, 20 minutes from Spanish Town via the Bagwalk Gorge, or 25 minutes from Kingston via the highway. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.